All right, my name is Heather Tong. I am a physical therapist over at Tufts Medical Center, and I am here to talk about my experience with Dr. Hickey. Back in 2020, I graduated, but before then, I was a student, and she was super meaningful in terms of my career development, and really is the reason that I am in the field that I am in now, not just physical therapy, but specifically in the inpatient acute side of physical therapy, and specifically with the cardiac patient populations. I had originally gone to school thinking I was going to be a sports PT, came out of a career with sports in the background, and I was hoping to just dive into something a little different for my co-op situation because I didn't really know what inpatient physical therapy was, and I was having this moment of kind of a conundrum. What am I going to do? How am I going to kind of explore this? And I had the opportunity to interview for a co-op at a few different places, and one of them was Tufts. And I was having this. What am I going to do? How am I going to find my way through this? And she and I met on just a happenstance on the first floor of Baracus one day, and she must have seen something in me that was letting her know that I was a little unsettled in the way I was thinking. So she took me aside and said, "Heather, I see something in you. You should probably go explore this and, lean into that inpatient side and just see what it's like. And you'll probably be pretty bored at these other spots." So it's interesting because I definitely have, I don't want to toot my own horn, but, I've definitely impacted a lot of people waiting for heart transplants and some very complex cases, things that I would never think of myself even doing years before, getting to this point. And I owe a lot of it to Northeastern and specifically Dr. Hickey. So I'm super proud to have been a Husky. I'm super proud to have been in her presence and have her guidance. And I am who I am today and impacting folks throughout the healthcare, world because of her. Pretty amazing. So if you can find it in your heart to donate to the fund, every dollar, goes to a great fund and gets people through school. And like myself, I was a recipient of many of the scholarships. So, yeah.
Please visit givingday.northeastern.edu.